29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
Alright, so I'm doing a review on this wireless tire inflator. Now, what it comes with is this itself, the inflator. It comes with a pretty nice bag to put everything in, so you can carry it with you in your car and it's convenient. It comes with a charger here and all these extensions, depending on what you're trying to air up, actually. Okay, now to actually work it, you just hold this button down to turn it on, and then that turns it on. And then to actually go through the settings, if you hit the button right here, that'll actually take you through the different like the air settings. So you got PSI, you got bar, KPA, and KG. Now if you use this one, this will actually change the setting for what you are going to be filling up as well. So you got bike tire, basketball, car, and all that. So pretty nice. Now to actually use the extensions, you just take it. For this one, you just put it on here and you just twist it on, and then right there you can use that for your car tire. And then if you want to use one of these extensions right here, you have to put it in right here, and then you just close this down and it's in there solid, ready to go. The only thing I really don't like about it is this is threaded right here, and you put this in, you have to clamp this down. It just seems kind of weird. It was kind of hard to figure out at first. I had to actually look at the instructions, but thought that was a little weird. Other than that, it does work great. This also does have a flashlight on it. Let me get this off. Right here, and to turn that on, you just hold this U button right here. And as you can see, that turns on. It's pretty bright, so if you're ever using it at night, it's pretty nice. Now, let me do a little demonstration of it. Alright, so once you have your extension on here and you have it set to the car setting, you're all ready to go, you just take this and put it on here. And then you clamp that down. And then you just hit this middle button right here. And then you will see this climb up and get to the point that you set it for the PSI you'd like it to be at. And yeah, that's it. I definitely recommend it.